If you are looking for a reliable, high-quality monitor for your office, CCTV setup, or daily productivity, this might just be your best choice. This is the Dell P2419H professional monitor, 24-inch workhorse designed to maximize your desk space and boost your efficiency. The first thing you will notice is its sleek look. Dell uses a three-sided ultra-thin bezel design. This gives you a seamless view, which is absolutely perfect if you want to set up two side-by-side monitors without a thick plastic bar in the middle. Let's talk about display size. We have a 23.8-inch screen, closely matching the sweet spot. 24-inch category. It features a crisp, full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 at a smooth DisplayPort. But what makes it truly great for long work hours is its IPS panel. IPS stands for in-plane switching, which means you get ultra-wide 178-degree viewing angles. Whether you are looking at it from the side, top or bottom, the colors stay vibrant and accurate. Plus, it has a matte, anti-glare coating, so you won't have to worry about annoying reflections from overhead. Lights or windows can look at the connectivity. Dell didn't skimp on the ports here. For video input, you get three major options: a modern HDMI 1.4 port, a DisplayPort 1.2, and an older VGA port. This means it easily connects to older PCs, modern laptops, or network video recorders. But it doesn't stop there. It also acts as a built-in USB hub. It features one USB 3.0 upstream port that connects to your computer, which then powers four USB downstream ports, two conveniently placed at the bottom, and two tucked on the side of the panel for quick access to your flash drives, mouse, or wireless receivers. Fully adjustable stand. You can adjust the height up to 130 millimeters, tilt it forward or backward, swivel it left and right. The stand also features a small footprint to save desk space, and it includes a built-in cable management slot to keep your cords perfectly organized and hidden away. For health comfort, the screen is TUV certified, featuring Comfort View to reduce harmful blue light emission and eliminate screen flicker. Overall, with a space-saving design, rich port options, and an incredibly flexible stand, the Dell P2419H remains an outstanding, reliable choice for everyday professional use. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews.